Hello guys, we're going to set up Tailwind CSS for React-Vite. So first let's install Tailwind. Let us create the Tailwind and post CSS files using npx Tailwind. With that, let's copy that and put it in your index.css. You will comment everything out and add them. After, let's go to the tailwind.config, create the contents. First, we'll add the index.html. Then we're going to add a regular expression, so get all the source files. Do not put any spaces between these ones because it's a regular expression and the space will matter and there is no file with such a space between it. Let us add the mode into just-in-time. Just-in-time brings about several improvements such as on-the-fly generation. Maybe instead of generating thousands of utility classes upfront, it will generate the classes on the fly as you use them in your HTML or JSX file. It leads to faster builds since you're not using the massive CSS files during development. We could add the colors and extend. We'll use white, secondary, any other color that you want to choose. After that, let's come to app.csx. We'll move everything in here. Hello Tailwind. That it will run. This way, let's add some classes. This secondary and primary is what we had set in the Tailwind config CSS. Yes. See the change? Let's add two more so that you can see everything in action. Oh, nice. We'll remove everything from app.css. Beautiful. So that's how you set up Tailwind CSS for React-Vite. Thank you very much.